how you doing?
I'm okay.
Awesome. Social distancing, you have to keep the mask on.
That's true.
So how you hear about us?
On the internet, think well.
Yeah?
Yes.
Things are going, man. Things are going. So how you feeling that you got your package? Well, almost at your gate.
Yes. Great. And on time. On time.
Alright. So we're having a March Madness promotion. Not sure if you know about it or hear about it yet. But yes, man, we have a March Madness promotion going on. And this is where we ask you to just refer a family member or a friend, anyone, to sign up online. Once they sign up online, they can provide the address that they receive from us. Send it to the WhatsApp number that is online that you refer them, and you will be able to earn 3 free coupons with us to use offset some of your payments for your shipping for your next shipment.
Okay.
Alright?
Thank you.
Also, if you know any policeman, any soldier, any nurse, any teacher, even the water them can sign up with us and they will be able to receive a 10% discount, lifetime discount with us.
Okay.
So isn't that great?
Yes. Very great.
So you know somebody, we know somebody, right? Okay, great. Your sister's a nurse. Alright, so tell her that she can sign up with us to receive the package right at her door and she'll receive a 10% lifetime discount with us.
Okay.
Alright, so thank you so much for supporting and you have a good one.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Yes.
Bye bye.